YouTube? Your boy Warren back in there with another video, you know. We in there acting like we see, you know, people in there prank, you feel me? If you new, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And we out. Shit crazy, lady. Call the police. Man, you crazy, man. That's why I don't like black people. Man, y'all crazy as hell. Still out here, though. Know what it is, man. Shit crazy, man. But ain't shit but the devil. But you know I'm still posting the video. Stop playing, man. Y'all thought. Y'all know what it is, man. Just had to delete her part because she wanted it out. But y'all know what it is. But Warren still posting the video out the gate. I'm going dumb, stupid, retarded. Yeah, YouTube, I wish I would have got more people, but this damn lady at the damn Walmart called the damn cops on me and shit, man. That shit crazy. But get what though, I'm still dropping more bangers. This ain't it, bruh. Big Warren, Chosen One, turning up the rest of the year. I'm finna get this bag, but real talk, I got so much video, so much content, so much everything for y'all. I love y'all. We out.